Hello, friends! Welcome to 1044 Kids! Are you ready? Let's learn the alphabet together! This is the letter N. N is for nest, nest. Can you say nest? Great job! This is the letter O. O is for orange. Let's say orange. This is the letter P. P is for penguin. Can you say penguin? Wonderful! This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Can you say queen? Excellent! This is the letter R. R is for rainbow. Let's say rainbow! This is the letter S. S is for sun. Can you say sun? Wonderful! This is the letter T. T is for train. Let's say train. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Amazing! This is the letter V. V is for violin. Can you say violin? Fantastic! This is the letter W. W is for watermelon. Let's say watermelon! This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Great job! This is the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Let's say yo-yo! Amazing! This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Wonderful! We learned all the letters today. Hooray! You learned the whole alphabet! I'm so proud of you! Thank you for learning with me. See you in our next adventure. Bye-bye, friends!